Hey everyone, today we're going to learn a really cool English word, soar.
Okay, first, just imagine a big bird, like an eagle, flying way up high in the sky.
So that's the first meaning of soar. It's all about flying really, really high.
But check this out. Soar isn't just for birds, it's for people too.
Yep, it also means to get much, much better at something super quickly. It's a very positive word.
See how that works? One is about flying high, the other is about your success flying high.
All right, let's look at a quick story to see how this works. Let's meet a student named Raheem.
So Raheem wasn't doing too great in his classes, but then he tried some new study methods.
And guess what? His grades soared. They went way up just because he changed how he studied.
And it's not just for school, you know. You can use SOAR to talk about lots of things.
Like a business can soar, a person's career can soar, even your confidence can soar.
Let's take a company, for example. If they have a great new product, their success can just soar.
This sentence just means the new company did super well, really fast, thanks to its fresh ideas.
We can use it for jobs too. When someone gets promoted fast, we can say their career is soaring.
Here, it means she moved up very quickly and became an important leader in her company.
So you get the idea, right? Soar means to rise up high, like a bird or like your success.
So here's a question for you. Think about your goals. How are you going to soar